A new vanity can change your entire bathroom, adding style and functionality to any space. The first step when choosing a new vanity is to measure your space. Make sure to leave enough room for entry and shower doors to open fully, and for the drawers and doors of the vanity to open as well. Keep in mind the location of your existing plumbing, since moving existing water lines can be time-consuming and expensive. Make sure that the vanity won't block any mirrors, outlets, or light switches in your bathroom. Then you can choose the right vanity for your space. Standard vanity cabinet widths can range from 24 to 84 inches wide, and can be anywhere from 31 to 35.5 inches tall. You can purchase a vanity without a top or with a top already installed. It's much simpler to install a vanity with a pre-attached top, but it can limit your design choices. Choosing a vanity without a top gives you the option to choose any material you want for the counter. Vanity tops come in a variety of styles, including acrylic, marble, glass, and cultured or natural stone. Vanity cabinets come in many different colors and finishes too. Common colors include white, gray, and black, or you can paint the cabinet to match your room if you're feeling bold. There are many different storage options, and you'll want to make sure that the countertop space and drawers will hold all the things you need for daily use. For a larger bathroom, a double sink can be a great way to share the space with your family. In a smaller bathroom, a single sink will probably make the most sense. Finally, be sure to look for the accessories that match your vanity. Some are sold with matching mirrors, and some have matching shelves that can be purchased with the vanity. Some vanities include the drawer and door hardware, so check the product description. If the hardware is not included, pick a finish that matches your faucet. Most vanities are pre-drilled for faucets. When choosing a faucet, be sure to choose the style that fits those holes. The most popular openings are for center set or widespread faucets, both of which use 3 pre-drilled holes. With a little careful planning and some simple steps, you can transform your entire bathroom with the right vanity from Lowe's.